How to build your own app that you can be using to generate videos for free. Do you know you can build your own app that you can be using to generate videos for free? You don't need to subscribe, you don't need credit to do this. All you need is just to create your own app, put your video prompt, put your own image you want to use to generate your videos, and you'll be generating videos for free without subscribing, and it is unlimited. Now let me show you how you are going to build your own app and start generating videos for yourself. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So to get started, what you need to do is to head over to your browser and you go and search for Opal Google. As you can see, Opal Google, just the way it's here like this. Now you click on this first one that shows here, you click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to open. Make sure you pay attention very well because I'm going to show you how you are going to use it. Now the first thing you are going to do, you are going to say sign in up here. Sign in. You just tap on this sign in. So you just need to click on select all. Here you select all this box, and after selecting, you click on continue. Now, a new account is going to be open for you like this, just the way you are seeing it right now. A new account is going to open for you, and you are going to see different type of template which people have created, people have been using it. So we are learning how to build our own app so that we can use it to create videos for ourselves. Now, this is what you are going to do. Now, if you want to use any of this, you can decide to choose any of them here. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on create new. As you can see, create new. Here, let me use my mouse so that you guys will be seeing what I'm saying. So you are going to see where you say create new. Are you seeing it here? Where my mouse is just pointing now. Create new here. You tap on this create new. Now, when you tap on this create new, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, when you come here, you are going to see where you are going to put your prompt and start creating your video. But please wait, make sure you pay attention very well, because this is the place where some of you get it wrong and you start doing some things that at the end of the day, it will not work for you. Now, you are going to see input here. You are going to see generate. Now, you click on this generate. Now, when you click on generate, it's going to bring something like this. As you can see, you are going to see generate here. And you're by your right hand side here, you are going to see where it says agent. You tap on this agent and you bring it to VEO. As you can see, VEO here. You can also use it to create images. As you can see, you can do nano banana or other things. So just bring it to VEO. As you can see, VEO here, and you put it on VEO. Now, when you put it on VEO, this is where you're going to put your prompt, your video prompt, anything you want to create. You can just put it here. Just put everything you want to create here. Now, for example, let's write something like, let me put something like create a video of a man and his wife sitting in a restaurant or in a room. So something like this. Just see something simple like this. And after that, after you put that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, as you can see. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on got it. Then you click on start. Now, when you click on start, it will start generating your video. As you can see, it's thinking. Now, it's thinking. You can also set some things. I forget to show you where you are going to set your aspect ratio and other. Now, the video has been generated. As you can see, this is the video here. Let me try to, if you want to download it, let me just download it. You click on this dot here and you are going to see download. Are you guys seeing the download? Then you tap on the download and the video is going to download to your phone. Now, as you can see, the video is download. Now, I can decide to open it on my phone. Let me click on open. Now, this is the video here. This is the video. Let me play it. So this is the video, and you can see this is just a simple prompt I use because I did not add any dialogue. I did not say they should say something. I just said it should create a video, man and his wife in his living room, and it creates the video for me. So this is the video. You guys can see the video. So now let me go back. If you want to do what we call image to video, maybe you want to use your own image, or you have image, you want to use your own image. all you just need to do, you can just click on this cancel here. As you can see, just click here. So then you can decide to re-put your prompt here. As you can see, you can decide to re-put your prompt here. If you want to create another video, just put another prompt here by where they say generate here, so that you can do what you call, you can continue. But if you want to do what you call image to video, all you just need to do, you just click on where they say use input. As you can see, use input, you can see use input up here. You click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to show something like this. Now as you can see, it's going to bring out something like this. Now all you just need to do, you just use your finger and drag this to like this, like you connect this with this like this. As you can see, now I've connected. You just connect these two, you connect them with each other. So after you connect them, now this is all you just need to do to connect it. Now after you connect it, you put your prompt here and you are going to see where they say upload. Now this is where you are going to upload your image, as you can see. So for you to be able to use your own image, all you just need to do, just click on preview, and when you click on preview, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now you are going to click on start. As you can see, start here. Now when you click on start, it's going to bring you here like this. This is where you are going to upload your image. You just click on this plus icon, and when you click on this plus icon, it's going to take you to upload from device, as you can see. And you click on upload from device and you upload your image if you have any image from your phone. And after you upload your image, you upload your prompt. Normally the way you used to upload prompt, you just upload. Let me upload one image and show you guys before someone should come and tell me they don't know how to do it. So let me upload. Now let me look for one of my image. Now let me use this image as an example. This is my image. Now after uploading image, the next thing I just need to do is just to click on continue here. Now when I click on continue, before I click on continue, make sure you write your prompt here. As you can see, this is where you should write your prompt, and after you write your prompt, you are going to start generating your image and your video. As you can see, you just write your prompt and you click on generate, and it's going to start generating your videos. I don't want this video to be so long, so I have to short it here because this video has been taking long time the way I never thought. So you can just follow the method I just show you guys right now. You upload your image and you can also do text to image using this, and it is unlimited. So if you are able to generate videos with it and they tell you you are off for the day, all you just need to do, just log out from your Gmail and you log in with another Gmail account and you continue creating your videos. Now you guys have seen everything step by step how you can build your own personal app that you can be using to generate videos for free. So if you are watching this video from YouTube and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more video like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video. If you are watching this video from Facebook and you find this video so interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video so that anytime we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.